Hi, my name is Denis Denisenko. Next up, we have a series of manuals breaking down the proxies integrated into Dolphin Anty. On the proxy list screen, a Get Free Proxy button has appeared in the top right corner. After clicking it, you are given a choice of one of the partners. Let's look at the integration option with the Asokcs proxy store. With this integration, you can connect proxies purchased from Asokcs directly without leaving the Dolphin Anty application or buy them using your balance right in the same window. How to use it? To start, you need to open the proxy section via the left menu in the Anty Detect browser, then find the purple Get Free Proxy or Asokcs Proxy button at the top. Next, a window will open where you can see information about creating an account in the Asokcs service. The login is the email address from your Dolphin Anty account, and the password will be sent to that same email. You can use these to log into your personal account on the service's website. It also shows how many gigabytes of traffic are provided for free in accordance with the tariff plan. Starter, 1.5 gigabytes of traffic. Base, 5 gigabytes of traffic. Team, 8 gigabytes of traffic. Enterprise, 16 gigabytes of traffic. You need to click Connect Asocks to continue. Let's go through what the elements are responsible for and how to use them. The service API key is a unique key through which Dolphin Anty communicates with Asokcs and allows you to buy or import proxies from the proxy store. Initially, a key from a newly automatically created account is inserted, which has 3 gigabytes of traffic. But if you have another Asokcs account that is already in use, you can get the API key from the website and paste it here to use it within Dolphin Anty. The balance is the balance of funds in the account that is connected via the API key. Initially, the balance of the automatically created account is displayed, but if you insert the API key from your previously created account, it is logical that its balance will be displayed. Proxy import allows you to add proxies already created or purchased in your Asokcs account to Dolphin Anty so that they can be used with browser profiles. How do you do that? Select the proxy connection type, for example, SOCKS 5. Next, select the desired proxies. You can select several at once and click Import Proxies. After clicking, the window will close and the proxies will be added to the list. Now you can add them to any browser profile and use them. The Create New Proxy option allows you to create proxies via the Asokcs service and add them directly to Dolphin Anty. To do this, you need to select the type of proxy you need, for example, residential. Next, enter the proxy name, then the connection country, select the region in the connection country and the city from which the connection will appear to originate. Then click Generate Proxy. After clicking, the window will close and the proxy will be added to the list. Now you can add them to any browser profile and use them. Important information: this integration is needed to simplify adding or using proxies without leaving or minimizing the Anty Detect browser. However, Dolphin Anty itself does not react to or manage the connection and operation of the proxies themselves. If you encounter any problems related to proxies or connecting an account via an API key, you should contact the Asokcs service support. We remind you that for all new users, we have a 20% discount on the first payment using the promo code YouTube. When paying for any annual plan in a single payment, you automatically receive a 40% discount. Don't forget to comment on the manuals, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any project updates or news. Thank you for watching.